Hi everybody, this is Robbie here from the Web Shack. In this tutorial video, I'm going to show you under theme settings, under shop page layout. Okay, let's jump in. Okay, I'll give you examples as we go. Okay, so let me just close this. Okay, so under here, this is basically the shop area. Okay, so I can choose how I want it to be laid out. Okay, one column means no sidebar. Oh, do I want a sidebar on the left or the right? Okay, pretty straightforward. Sidebar widgets, another video. I've got another video that shows you how to do that, how to add widgets to your sidebar. Okay, so it's quite nice. It's got filters and all that, but we'll show you in another video. Okay, so that's that. If you have a sidebar, how big do you want it? At the moment, this is medium. You can have large or small. Off canvas sidebar for mobile. So that's basically saying I can have the sidebar, but okay, so there'll be a nice button to show the sidebar or not. Okay. Um, okay, that's great. Shop products preview. So this is how you want the shop to look. So at the moment it's in grid view, like next to each other. But now if let's say, let me change it to list so I can give you an example. This is the same as this one, but this is just for tablet. So you can hide sidebar, show nicely on a button click on the shop page. Okay, so because it's smaller devices, you don't want the bar to come up like that. You can have a nice little button to show it or not. And same with desktop. Okay, so that's if I want it on desktop. So let me put that on anyway. Sticky canvas sidebar. Okay, so that's sticky means if I scroll down, stuff sticks. So if I scroll down, you see that menu sticks. So that's basically what it's saying. Do you want the sidebar to stick or not? In this case, I wouldn't want to do that, but we'll just put it on anyway. Shop title, show shop page, product categories or tags on or off. Okay, so you want to show that or not? I do. At the moment it was off, but like I'll show you how that goes now. Categories in the page. So this basically when you add shop categories. So if it's quite nice, you can filter between your categories. They're on the side here as well. That's if you want that option at the top of the page or not, which I think is amazing. Then would you like the ancestors of that category to be on the page too? Meaning, if beer has a subcategory, Castle Light, then you would have subcategories as well. Okay, so I'm going to switch that on. So category neighbors to their no children. Okay, so this is basically saying if there is no ancestors secondary categories, then I don't show anything. Okay, cool. Okay, hide empty categories. So meaning if there's no products in one of these categories, don't show it. Okay, quite clever. And then you can exclude categories if you want. So if you have a whole bunch of categories here and you don't want to show a few, you can say you could just type in the category. So let's say beer. Okay, let's say I don't want to show beer. Okay, great. So that's basically the whole that's all the settings for the shop page layout. Let's save and see what we've done. Okay, great. Let's refresh this. Okay, perfect. So let's run through it quickly. So I've still got that left sidebar, medium, canvas sidebar for mobile. Okay, so that's obviously I'm on desktop. So I switched it on for desktop. So if you notice, you don't see it now. So it's quite nice. So if I click here, then it shows it on the side here, which is actually quite a nice feature. So instead of having the sidebar just sitting there, you can switch that on or off for either tablet, desktop, or and so on. Okay. Okay. Okay, cool. Okay, so sorry, where am I? Where am I? Okay, list view. See how I changed this? It used to be on grid, but now it's list view. So this is quite nice as well. So this is like just the products going, underneath each other in a list view. Play around with the different views, grid slash list, and so on. Okay, play around with them and take a look at which one suits you. Um, Okay, so that's part of that as well. And let's see what have you done. Page title. Let's go to the top. There's my page title. Just now I didn't have it. Um, Categories in the page title. There they are. If I go down here, I wanted to exclude beer. You see, I don't have beer anymore over there. I only have lager, so I can only filter with lager. And yeah, okay. So that's basically the shop page layout settings. Next video, I'm going to go through the attribute swatches. Okay, thanks very much for watching.